Hello and welcome to How to Automotive. One of my favorite type of videos to make is videos that is going to make you money and save you energy and time. So today I got a good one for you guys, and it's a tip on how to keep your energy up so you can be more productive, make more money, and do more for your family and customers. So stay tuned for that. So today I'm excited to bring you the Extreme Standing Mat by Ergo Kneel. And this is a super thick, 1-inch thick foam pad. It's a closed cell foam, so it doesn't absorb water and it doesn't absorb oil and stuff like that. So it's a heavy duty, thick foam pad that you could place in front of your toolbox, in front of your service cart. They also come in big and small sizes, so you can either have one permanently in front of your toolbox, one permanently in front of your roll cart, or wherever you're most often working at. And then you can have some of these smaller ones where you can take them mobile with you. You can use them as kneeling pads, so when you're racking vehicles up, you can throw it down, you can kneel down on it to save your knees. So that's a super handy one. So when you're working on those big jobs, especially the ones where you're standing right in front of the vehicle and you're gonna be there for a few hours, such as doing a timing belt. So you're going to be in the same spot for a couple hours, such as when you do a timing belt. So when you're doing a timing belt, you're pretty much stationary in one spot. You're pretty much just going to grab one tool, turn around, take something off the car, turn around, put the part and tool down, turn around. You know, that type of movement, and you're in one spot for a long period of time. And standing on that concrete can really hurt your feet, really hurt your back, really bring your energy level down. So having the mat right there where you're at, right where you're working, is going to be key and vital and to keeping your energy up. So the big ones, like I said, I like to keep them in front of the toolbox or in front of your roll cart. And when you stand on these foam pads all day, it's going to save your back. Your back is going to thank you at the end of the day. So that means you're going to have a lot more energy at the end of the day. And when you have more energy, you're able to do more. And with that extra energy you're able to produce, especially later on after lunch, is where these mats really kick in. So the first half of the day, pretty much all of us have some pretty good energy, but on the second half of the day, after lunch, your back's starting to tighten up a little bit, you're starting to slow down, your energy level's starting to drop. Well, having a good quality mat to stand on will help you reduce that pain in your back, keep your legs a little bit more fresh, and keep you producing more and more. So you'll make more money by standing on mats like this, by adding these to your collection. So I will link these up in the description of the video. I'm Brian Esser from How to Automotive. I'd like to thank you guys for watching, encourage you to subscribe, invite you to head over to the howtoautomotive.com website for more valuable videos like this. Thank you again for watching.